Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Christmas nail 2020, Christmas cute nail, Christmas trendy Christmas nails, holiday nails, winter in Christmas. Step by step guide. Number one design is tiny trees Christmas nail art idea. You can have so much fun with this style. Paint on a white and other light colored base, pick a palette and get a painting on trees in all sorts of design. We love this outside of the box palette, but we can see our traditional red, green and gold looking quite festive. 2. Use tiny brushes, toothpicks or even nail dotting tool to achieve a clean look. Style number 2. Glossy red Christmas nail art idea. Red is hands down the color of holidays. A classic red gel manicure with all last season long and a super shiny top coat to make it feel a little more special. Style number 3. Santa baby Christmas nail art idea. Just try con- con- counting the comments you will get on this adorable design. That Santa hat alone is enough to put your on the nice list. Apply snowflakes with nail stamps or nail stickers, but you will likely need to DIY the hat. Last style in my list, evergreen Christmas nail art idea. Make evergreen with envy with you show up with this unique polish color. Add a few stick on gems if desired, but we think this deep green color can stand on its own. Hopefully you like all the designs in this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends, family and other members. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy Christmas to all.